Are you a first-time home buyer or an investor looking for a single-family property in a non-HOA community? Then I have the perfect place for you. Let's go check it out. Let's start with my favorite part of this property. This corner lot is fully fenced, front and rear, which means it's great for your children or your pets. This yard has enough space for a large shed, a pool, and since there's no HOA, even an RV. It even has room for features like a fire pit. You can make a grilling station or easily restore this outdoor pizza oven. Inside, you have 981 square feet of comfortable living space that consists of 2 bedrooms and 1.5 baths. But if you need more space, this den can be converted into a 3rd bedroom. And this half bath can be converted into a full bath. For 981 square feet, you normally don't get a kitchen of this size, with plenty of countertop space, a dishwasher, and a full dining room set. This home features waterproof luxury vinyl plank throughout, plenty of windows for natural light, and just like the kitchen, an open, spacious living area. Plus, within a 3-mile proximity, you have downtown Lake Worth, I-95, and beautiful beaches. If you would like a private tour or have any questions, give me a call. I'm friendly.